Hello everybody, this is Tibacho from Switzerland. Well, I just returned from Nigeria not quite long ago, and I stayed 5 weeks in Nigeria, 5 weeks, and I got a visa that was issued from the ambassador here in Switzerland, Nigerian embassy in Switzerland. The ambassador issued me a visa for 2 months, and I stayed only 5 weeks. So I was very shocked and disappointed when I wanted to leave Nigeria. The Nigerian immigration at the airport in Lagos, they say I have overstayed, that they can't let me go. They first say that I overstay, I should have gone after 1 month. I now showed them the visa of 2 months. They say they don't care, that after 1 month I should have left. That actually what we are going to do now is I have to pay $8,000. $8,000